Welcome! In this video, we will interpret research and development spending and answer a common business question. We want to know which item is not a benefit of tracking current year and cumulative expenditures for camera and drone product research and development. We will move slowly, build intuition, and finish with a clear answer and recap. First, let's clarify the two ideas. The current year expenditure is the amount spent in one specific year. Cumulative expenditure is the total spent from the start up to a certain year. To visualize this, let's draw a timeline of years and show spending bars for each year. The height of each bar shows current year spending. Then we can build a running total to show the cumulative amount, which always increases over time. Let's write the basic idea with words. Current year spending is just that year. Cumulative spending is the sum of all years up to now. This makes it easy to monitor the total investment in research over time. Now let's list the main benefits of tracking both current year and cumulative expenditures for camera and drone research and development. Benefit 1. It helps managers spot sudden spikes or drops in spending, which can reveal changes in project pace. Benefit 2. It improves budgeting because leaders can compare this year to previous years and adjust targets. Benefit 3. Cumulative spending shows the total investment, which is important for long-term planning and reporting. Benefit 4. It supports accountability because teams can justify how much has been invested in a product line. So we have clear benefits for project control, budgeting, and long-range strategy. Now for the question, which of the following is not a benefit of current year and cumulative expenditures for camera and drone product research and development? We will reason it out. The benefits we listed are all about cost control, planning, and accountability. So what would not fit? A common wrong assumption is that these spending numbers can predict exact future sales or market demand. But spending data alone does not guarantee sales forecasts. It does not tell you how many customers will buy a camera or drone. That requires marketing research, customer surveys, and competitive analysis. Therefore, the item that is not a benefit is the idea that current year and cumulative spending can directly predict exact sales or demand. Let's reinforce this. Spending data is great for internal control and tracking, so we can put a check mark beside those ideas. But predicting exact demand is outside the scope of expenditure tracking, so we mark that one with an X. This helps us separate what spending data can do from what it cannot do. Let's recap. Current year expenditures show what was spent this year. Cumulative expenditures show the total spent so far. These metrics are useful for tracking project costs, comparing budgets, and making long-range plans. However, they do not directly predict how many cameras or drones will be sold in the future. So the correct answer is, predicting exact sales or demand is not a benefit of current year and cumulative research and development spending. Thanks for watching, and great job working through the reasoning step by step.